Hello my fellow composers and welcome to The Compose and Cook. Today's recipe is my upside down kids pizza. Now as we know, kids are very much led by their eyes, so what we want to do is we are going to construct this pizza in a very different way to how we would normally do one. Also, there is going to be a controversial ingredient in this pizza, something which you wouldn't normally do, but I think it works really well, and I think you'll be pleasantly surprised that the kids won't even know it's there. Anyway, let's begin. Are you ready for the big change? Oh, the anticipation. My fellow composers, take it all in. Make it, enjoy it, and you will love it.